He had to be shot.
And what about me?
Oh, we could have gone off together.
One who follows his nature keeps nature.
Help! Help!
Haven't you heard
They
yet?
can't see us behind the screen. And they can't hear us with the sound on. Not even a gunshot.
I knew I'd find you.
Hello,
two
Paul.
together. If I hadn't,
Didn't you expect me?
I'd gone on like
Mrs. Dalton.
You made a lot of promises to me over the years.
Father.
And then you decided to dump me for that young model.
Murder me here.
I never led you on.
Your silent
Late
will
for
get the blame.
excuses.
None of you can prove anything.
My money. So you'd be foolish to fire that gun. These mirrors
Carol.
are so difficult to tell.
Carol.
You are
Carol.
aiming at me, aren't you?
I'm aiming at you, lover.
Killing you is killing
Of
myself.
course, killing you is killing myself.
The same thing.
But you know, I'm pretty tired of both of us.
God! Are you okay?
Oh,
Are you
God, Larry.
okay?
Oh, Larry, I'm so happy to see
I
you.
was never so glad to see somebody in my life. Are you all right?
Yes, I'm all right.
You don't know what's going on out there. I'll never say that life doesn't imitate art again.
We gotta call the police.
Yes, and a glazier.
Oh, God.
Quick, dial.
Oh, Larry. Oh, God, Larry. Oh, God. Oh, God. Ow. Ow.
Sorry, I'm
God.
sorry. Oh,
Jeez.
wife mine.
Hello?
Wife